Hey everyone. Today we're going to go through how to set up an Asana account. Asana is a project management tool and task management tool similar to ClickUp and to Monday.com. And feel free to check out my videos relating to Monday.com and ClickUp. So for this video, we're going to go through how to set up an account and what you can do to begin with. So we start by going to asana.com. We can click on Get Started. You can choose to sign up with either your Google account or with your email address. So I'm going to use my team email address. And then we go to email and we will confirm that address like this. And now we can add in our full name. We can add a password like so. Click continue. What's your primary role? You can select what you are in your business. Click continue. And now what kind of work we do. So for our business, I'm going to put down project management, some marketing, and some operations. Continue. What's the main objective in using Asana? So for us, we're going to be using it to manage our projects in our company. And then we can set up our first project. Let's make our first project our website redesign. Click continue. So what are the tasks we have to do for the website redesign? So we're going to prepare the initial design, get feedback from clients, build new design. How are we going to organize it? To do, doing, done. Yep, that sounds good. What layout works best? I like to start with lists and then can create other kinds of layouts to engage with the content later. So for example, we've got boards where like a Kanban board. We have a timeline here. It's kind of like a Gantt chart, I guess. And then you've got a calendar as well. So it really depends what you're doing. So we'll start with lists. If, for example, you wanted to have a schedule on a calendar, that might be a better choice. But for ours, we're going to go with lists. We can invite other teammates. I'm not going to do that for now. And we can add Asana on iOS, Android, and desktop. We'll skip that for now. Great. And so when you first set up an account, you get a 30-day free trial. So we can get started with that. At the end of the 30-day trial, you have the choice of either upgrading to a paid account or downgrading to the personal account. The different pricing, if we look at it over here, this is the pricing page. This is in US dollars. The pricing depends on whether you have the free personal account. So that would be obviously $0. It has certain limitations. So you would need to check if this is going to tick the boxes for you. There's still a lot of unlimited tasks and projects and everything like that, but then there'll be some features that are limited. So that's good to be aware of. It's good for smaller teams. If you're looking to work with like a larger business, you've got starter and advanced. These are the per month billed annually prices, $11 US per month per user, or $25 per month per user if billed annually. And you can see here if billed monthly as well. So by default, this is showing dark mode because my computer is set to dark mode. For the sake of this presentation, I'm going to change it to light mode just to make it a little bit easier to look at for all of you. So we can see here now, this is light mode. We can control the spacing here on this. If you need to add in new tasks, very easy, just click here and type in the new task. If you want to go into detail for that task, you can click on the little arrow and it'll open up the side window here for the detail. And you can click and edit any of the statuses or any of the priorities, anything here. We can add new columns or fields here and from the library like that. And we can control where this is sitting by dragging it. And in this case, they're organized into these subsections where we have the to-do list, the doing list, and the done list. And we can move them through each one as the task progresses and the project is further developed. We can see here that it's just got everything's just owned by me at the moment, but we could add another user here and we'd be able to add them in as an assignee for these tasks. If you want to add new projects, you just click here to add a new project. And a project, it's kind of like a list in a way. If you're thinking about how to organize your projects, it's kind of like how you would like to organize these lists. Different lists should be a different project. And I'll go into more detail about how to use Asana in future videos. This is just a quick intro to setting up an account. And so give it a go. Let me know if you have any questions about this stage, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, cheers.